Today I'm gonna show you how to reinstall GPU, graphics card drivers the best efficient way. Well, hold on, let me find the keyboard that corresponds to this computer. Up. Okay, you Google for DDU, display driver uninstaller. A very nice piece of software. We download it. I already probably have it, but still, just in case, show in folder. Yep, there it is. Okay, to get it started we have to restart in safe mode. To get restarted in safe mode, you hit shift on the keyboard, press power and press restart, and then keep holding the shift until you see this screen. On this screen you select troubleshoot, advanced options, startup settings, restart. Right now the computer is going to restart and ask us if we want to start in a safe mode. Okay, here we go. Press F404. Okay, here we go. Okay, we do have it in safe mode with no internet, which is nice. So we go back to our downloads. Make sure to run uninstaller as an administrator. Clean and restart. That's what we need. So just wait right now until it finishes what it's doing. And it's going to restart the computer for you. Here we go. On this rig I have only 4 water-cooled GPUs. So, I didn't really like that. That might be an issue with one of the cords. Well, we'll find that out in a moment. So let's see. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 drivers that are not installed. So we go ahead and hold on, let me see if I... Okay, here we go. Oh, I gotta stop that. And temporarily disable miner and watcher. Otherwise they can cause some problems. always select custom, since you can, just in case. It's never too much. Okay, here we go. I finally got it figured out. I had one of the cards connected to the power supply which did not belong to this system. That was perfectly fine when I did the other rigs, but for some reason it was not fine this time. Maybe the remaining power that came from that power supply was not enough to run one of these cards. That's why it was giving me an error. So I switched to the same power supply as runs this motherboard and the rest of the cards, and looks like this miner started working perfectly. Let's give it a try one more time. Okay, so that's all what it was. It was not enough power for the card. The miner was giving me overclock problem, saying that the car check cards overclocking, this and this. So the card was just not getting enough power. Well, I also just in case switched the PCI slot, but I don't think it did anything because I switched it before a few times, and until I switched the power it was still giving me the overclock issue. Okay, so that's how you reinstall the drivers completely. Plus, that's how you diagnose the issue with the card. Okay guys, thanks for watching, subscribe.